Now, what will happen too, here's your biggest hiccup. Your biggest hiccup is going to be your loan officer on your new house. You're going to run into a lot of inexperienced people that don't know how this is done legally and how it's written in the articles. We absolutely can get you approved for the next loan. We just need to talk to the underwriter, and I'll show them how to overcome that so we can keep the loan in your name, the one on Cutter, and still get you a second loan for your new house.